Everyone was angry, even my mother. Even? What does even mean? I'm Teacher Mike, and today we are learning 4 ways to use the word even. First, we're going to talk about even when it means balanced or equal, and what it means to even something out. Then we're going to talk about what it means when someone says, "We are even," or that they want to get even. Then we're going to talk about the main way that we use the word even, which is to show that something is surprising or extreme. For example, everyone was angry, even my mother. And finally, we're going to talk about using even with comparative adjectives. For example, even better or even faster. We are not talking about even if or even though today because I already talked about those in this video right here. Now, let's begin. First, even can mean balanced or equal. For example, if your barber does a bad job cutting your hair, and the hair on one side of your head is longer than the hair on the other side of your hair is not even. It is uneven. When we have something that is uneven and we want to make it even, we often use the phrasal verb even out. For example, after going to that first barber, you might go to a different barber and tell them, "I don't want you to cut a lot off, I just want you to even it out." Or maybe you made a cake, but the frosting on one side of the cake is thicker than the frosting on the other side of the cake. You can use a spatula to even it out. We also have even numbers. Even numbers are numbers that you can easily divide by 2. For example, 2, 4, 6, or 8. Numbers that you cannot easily divide by 2, for example, 1, 3, 5, or 7, are called odd numbers. Next, if someone says "we are even," this basically means you have done something bad to me, and I have done something bad to you. Now, everything is fair. For example, maybe your coworker starts a rumor about you. So, you tell your boss about something bad that she did in the past, and your boss fires her. If you see that person again, you might say, "Now we are even." And the verb for this is to get even. For example, she got even with her coworker by getting her fired. You can also call this getting revenge or getting payback. But the main way that we use the word even is to add an extra piece of information to help show that something is surprising, shocking, or extreme. And when we use it this way, we can put the word in many different places. However, today I want to focus more on the meaning of the word. So instead of spending a long time explaining the grammar, I'm just going to give you 4 examples that you can write down and use to try to create your own sentences. First example, everyone was angry, even my mother. In this example, even my mother makes it sound like my mother is probably someone who doesn't usually get angry. So whatever happened was probably really bad. Second example, when he was sick, no one visited him, not even his brother. We knew that not everyone would visit him, but we thought that a few people would, especially his brother, who he is really close with. So in this one, not even his brother, just adds an extra piece of information that makes the situation sound more surprising or more dramatic. Third example, he doesn't even study 30 minutes per week. In this example, the word even makes it clear that 30 minutes is really not very much time, and he should probably be doing a lot more. Fourth example, the hotel staff were wonderful. They even bought me a birthday present. In this example, the word even shows that buying me a present was a really nice surprise and supports the idea that the staff were wonderful. We can also say things like even better, even bigger, or even more beautiful. Here, the word even adds emphasis. It makes the idea sound stronger, more exciting, or more interesting. For example, our New Year's party last year was really fun, but this year it's going to be even better. Even better shows that last year it was already really good, but this year it's going to be amazing. Or, she is really smart, but her sister is even smarter. This is kind of like saying, if you thought she was smart, you're going to be amazed by how smart her sister is. And finally, if you want to learn how to use even if and even though, make sure to watch this video right here. But yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.